Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are first time watching my video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Let's start on this video. Today I will be reviewing the Thrive Cosmetic lipstick. This lipstick is very moisturizing and pigmented. I like the packaging. The packaging is very nice, clean and sleek look. As you can see, I can literally see my phone on the top of the lipstick. So as I open this lipstick, it's almost like something you are carrying is weightless. In order to open it, you just need to click on one of the end from the lipstick and the lipstick gonna pop out from the other end. So the transparent side would be where you would be clicking. So as you see the lipstick, this color little bit look different than the packaging, but oh my god, I can't ignore that those cute little lips logo on that. But yeah, let's try it on my hand. As I'm applying it, this is very silky smooth finish, and now the color look realistic towards even on the packaging. So please, if you haven't tried it, I would recommend trying it with their lip liner. And this lipstick is very moisturizing. I haven't put the lip balm before trying it, but I would recommend putting some lip balm on your lipstick and try this lipstick. So if you like this lipstick, please comment it, and if you have any recommendation, feel free to leave. Thank you.